I'll say like, hey everybody, or hey everybody. They'll get it. Like, hey, and I'll motion. No. Hey everybody. Hey everybody. There's new rules in Illinois and Wisconsin, well, nationally, for buyers and sellers, and they are great. A lot of work on our part as agents. We have to learn and convey and share that, so the professionalism is going to go way up, because where it should be, right? Anyway, new rules for the nation, in particular buyer agency, but it will affect buyers and sellers. There's a lot of detail to it. The fast answer is, in a buyer's market, it'll be better for buyers. In a seller's market, it'll be better for sellers. We can't avoid it. You can't avoid it. If you want to know more about it, give me a call. I'm not asking you to reach out now, because I'm sending this to everybody. It may look super personalized, and I love you, and you guys are fantastic, but this is a generic email to all my friends and family and clients to let you know about new rules coming. You can Google it and read about it there. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me. Kit Hoover, kit.hoover@bairdwarner.com. You can call or text me, 847-643-6011. The rules started yesterday in Wisconsin, 2 days early from the national requirement. And tomorrow in Illinois and the rest of the nation is the drop dead date, the 17th of August. Today's the 16th. It's kind of like hump day of Illinois and Wisconsin, where I'm licensed. So if I can help you either understand the new information, or you want to talk about buying or selling in the next 30 days, 60 days, give me a shout. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was short enough to keep your attention, and